Welcome to this tutorial on Absa Bank Forex booking, a comprehensive guide to understanding the process of booking a foreign exchange transaction with Absa Bank. To begin, let's define what Forex booking is. Forex booking refers to the process of exchanging one currency for another at a predetermined exchange rate. This is typically done by individuals or businesses that need to convert their money into a different currency for various purposes such as travel, trade, or investment. Absa Bank is a leading financial institution that offers Forex booking services to its customers. The bank provides competitive exchange rates and a range of Forex products to suit different needs. To book a Forex transaction with Absa Bank, you will need to follow these steps. First, you will need to have an account with Absa Bank. If you don't have an account, you can open one by visiting the bank's website or visiting a branch near you. Next, you will need to determine the amount of currency you want to exchange and the type of currency you want to exchange it for. You can do this by checking the current exchange rates on the Absa Bank website or by contacting the bank's customer service. Once you have determined the amount and type of currency you want to exchange, you can proceed to book your Forex transaction. You can do this online through the Absa Bank internet banking platform or by visiting a branch near you. When booking a Forex transaction, you will need to provide some information such as your account details, the amount of currency you want to exchange, and the type of currency you want to exchange it for. You will also need to provide identification documents such as a passport or national ID. After providing the required information, the bank will process your Forex transaction and provide you with a confirmation of the exchange rate and the amount of currency you will receive. It's essential to note that Forex booking involves some risks such as exchange rate fluctuations. To manage these risks, it's crucial to stay informed about market trends and to use risk management tools such as stop-loss orders. In conclusion, booking a Forex transaction with Absa Bank is a straightforward process that can be done online or in a branch. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can exchange your currency quickly and efficiently. Remember to always stay informed about market trends and to use risk management tools to minimize potential losses.